Would you settle for a limited view of your data that could carry serious implications? Making decisions based on limited data or samples will often give you a false sense of security, lead you down the wrong path, and produce results which are misleading or outright wrong. In this scenario, we are looking at flight accidents documented in the NTSB's publicly available aviation accident database to identify flight safety problems and trends. To demonstrate the inherent risks of sampling when preparing data for analysis, we will look at a 10% random sample of the 82,000 row dataset and compare it to the full dataset. First, let's see what the data reveals when looking at the sample. A typical data prep exercise begins by looking at value distributions and performing data quality checks on key data attributes. This allows us to resolve data issues and ensure we have accurate plane crash information on which to understand trends and draw conclusions regarding flight safety problems. In this sample of data, the only item of note is a single outlier crash in 1974. Now, let's do the same profiling and discovery on the full data, which shows all accidents to date. Glancing at the full data, we already see significant differences. A duplicate NTSB record which we need to reconcile. Note the discrepancies between the crash date, time, and location. Detecting and resolving duplicates is a fundamental data prep task, and the sample does not find this issue. Next, we have 6 anomalies instead of 1, ranging from September 1979 all the way back to October 1948. Upon further exploration, we learn that 5 include fatal injuries. Lastly, the geographic attributes will be critical for properly mapping the crash sites. We see several differences in just the top 10. Most concerning is the missing cities of Albuquerque, Houston, and Fairbanks in the sampled data. There are 71 columns in this dataset, and our sample missed issues in every data attribute we looked at. Such blind spots mislead us with a skewed understanding. In the end, we have misallocated resources, doubtful results, and outcomes ranging from flawed to catastrophic. Now, you may not be working with mission-critical or plane crash data, but what if this was your customer data, or your marketing leads, or your transactions or patient history? What risks would you face with a limited view of your data? As we saw in our worrisome real-world scenario, samples are inherently misleading, and only full data fully informs. Paxata is the only data prep product that enables you to work with the full data so you can discover and fix all data anomalies and quality issues once and for all and get the right results the first time. To try Paxata today with your full data, go to paxata.com/get-started.